Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your eyes, and realizing the world looks a little blurry. The words on your phone seem fuzzy, the newspaper is harder to read, and even the sunlight feels uncomfortable. For millions of seniors, this isn't just about aging. It's a sign your eyes are crying out for help. But here is the surprising truth. What you drink in the morning may be just as important as what you eat. Certain natural morning drinks can actually feed your eyes, protect them from damage, and sharpen your vision. And today, I am going to share with you 7 powerful morning drinks that can naturally sharpen blurry vision and protect your aging eyes. Stick with me until the end, because drink number 1 is something most seniors ignore. Yet research shows it can cut your risk of blindness-related diseases by almost half. By the time we reach 60, our eyes have already worked through over 150 million blinks. Years of reading, driving, and screen time leave their mark. In fact, the World Health Organization reports that more than 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of vision impairment. And nearly half of those cases could have been prevented with better nutrition and care. Doctors often recommend surgery, glasses, or eye drops. Very few tell you about the nutritional approach to protecting your eyesight. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes depend on vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. So let's count down the 7 morning drinks that seniors can start using right away to give their eyes the nutrients they need. Number 7 is carrot juice. Carrots are famous for being good for your eyes, and that's not just an old wives' tale. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for the retina and overall vision. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, vitamin A deficiency is one of the leading causes of preventable blindness worldwide. In fact, a study in the journal Public Health Nutrition found that people with higher beta-carotene intake had a 25% lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. Starting your morning with a glass of fresh carrot juice can help protect against night blindness and keep your vision sharp. Number 6 is green tea. You may already drink it for weight control or relaxation, but it's also a hidden gem for eye health. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which are absorbed by eye tissues like the retina and lens. In one study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, researchers found that drinking green tea significantly reduced oxidative stress in the eyes. This matters because oxidative stress is one of the key drivers of cataracts and macular degeneration. Even better, green tea can lower intraocular pressure, which is a major risk factor for glaucoma. In fact, a case study in China showed that seniors who drank at least 1 cup of green tea daily had a 33% lower risk of developing glaucoma compared to non-drinkers. Number 5 is orange juice. Oranges and other citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful protector of the delicate blood vessels in your eyes. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin C helps lower the risk of developing cataracts by nearly 20%. Another large study from King's College London tracked over 1,000 women for a decade and found that those with higher vitamin C intake had a 33% lower risk of cataract progression. One simple glass of fresh orange juice in the morning doesn't just wake you up, it helps keep your eye lens clear and strong. Number 4 is beetroot juice. This might surprise you, but beetroot juice is a powerhouse for seniors struggling with blood flow issues. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that improves circulation. Better circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your eyes. A study published in the journal JAMA Ophthalmology found that higher nitrate intake was associated with a 21% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Seniors in another case study who drank beet juice regularly reported less eye fatigue and sharper vision after just a few weeks. It's like giving your eyes a fresh supply of fuel each morning. Number 3 is blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are tiny but mighty. They're loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect the retina from damage. In one clinical trial, seniors who consumed blueberry extract daily showed significant improvements in night vision after just 3 months. Another study from Tufts University found that blueberries helped slow down cognitive and visual decline in older adults. Adding a handful of blueberries into a morning smoothie, maybe with some yogurt or almond milk, gives your eyes protection against oxidative stress and supports sharper focus. Number 2 is spinach and kale smoothie. Leafy greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthine, two nutrients that are literally nicknamed eye vitamins. They act like natural sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting your retina. In the famous AREDS to study by the National Eye Institute, seniors who increased their intake of lutein and zeaxanthine reduced their risk of advanced macular degeneration by 25%. Think about that. 1 in 4 cases of severe vision loss could be prevented with better nutrition. Starting your day with a green smoothie made from spinach, kale, or even collard greens may not only protect your vision, but also keep your eyes from aging faster. And finally, number 1 is water. Yes, plain, simple water. It might sound boring compared to juices and smoothies, but hydration is the foundation of eye health. Dehydration can cause dry eyes, blurry vision, and eye strain. The Tear Film and Ocular Surface Society reports that nearly 60% of seniors experience chronic dry eye symptoms. And in many cases, this is linked to poor hydration. Even mild dehydration can reduce tear production and leave your eyes feeling gritty or tired. By starting your morning with 1 or 2 glasses of water before coffee or tea, you're giving your eyes the moisture they need to function properly. In fact, one small clinical trial showed that seniors who increased their daily water intake reported a 30% improvement in dry eye symptoms within just 2 weeks. Sometimes the simplest habits bring the biggest results. So let's recap. Carrot juice for vitamin A, green tea for antioxidants, orange juice for vitamin C, beetroot juice for circulation, blueberry smoothies for night vision, spinach and kale smoothies for macular protection, and water to keep everything hydrated. Each of these drinks is backed by research and proven results. Imagine if even one of these drinks could protect your vision, could prevent blurry eyesight, and help you keep reading, driving, and enjoying the faces of your loved ones clearly. Isn't it worth giving them a try? So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, pick at least 2 of these morning drinks and make them part of your daily routine. Track how your eyes feel. Are they less dry, less tired, maybe even a little sharper? Small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member who cares about their eyesight. Your eyes are precious. Take care of them every single day.